Hello everyone, this is A. Mani Sharma and you are watching Percentage and its Applications Part 4. This is of DAV syllabus, and in this video we shall be doing worksheet 4 of class 6, question number 1 to 3 of the chapter Percentage and its Applications. Children, in this worksheet we shall learn how to find out simple interest. So, to know how to find simple interest and what all things are there in simple interest, we should know a few of the vocabularies like principal. Principal is the sum of money lent or invested. Sum of money lent or invested, or even if you have borrowed from somewhere, it is also known as principal. Now, time period. Time period is the period for which you have either given money to someone or you have borrowed money from someone. Now the next is interest. Now if you bring money from somewhere else or if you lend money to some other person, you will not lend it for free. If you have lent some amount, you will take some extra amount when the person will pay back. That extra amount is known as interest. Now the next vocabulary is rate of interest. What is rate of interest? Rate of interest is the amount that is taken extra on every 100 rupees. Suppose for every 100 rupees, if you are taking 5 rupees, then it is said as 5%. And the time period should be 1 year. Suppose you are taking rupees 5 on rupees 100 every year or per year, then you will say that it is 5% per annum. Now what is the amount? Amount is the total money, that is the principal amount, and the extra amount, that is the interest that is to be paid. Together is known as the amount. Now we shall solve worksheet 4, question number 1, 2 and 3. Now let us see worksheet 4, question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Now see, principal. What is the principal given here? Principal amount P is equal to how much? Rupees 600. Time period is 2 years. And rate of interest R is 10% per annum. Percent per annum means per every 100 rupees, the extra amount paid will be rupees 10 every year. Per annum means every year. Now what you have to find? You have to find simple interest. So the formula for simple interest is SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Now let us see what is P. P is 600, time is 2 years, into rate is 10% divided by 100. See, the 2 zeros of 100 will get cancelled with 2 zeros of 600. Now you will be left with 6 to the 12, 12 into 10, 120. So this will come in rupees, rupees 120. So what is the simple interest here? The simple interest here on rupees 600 for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum is rupees 120. Now let us see what is given in B. Here the principal amount P is equal to rupees 6,500. Okay. Time is equal to 1.5 year. 1.5 year means how much? 1.5 year means if you change it into improper fraction, you will get 3 by 2 years. Okay. Now rate R is equal to 10% per annum again. Okay. Now let us find simple interest. Here also you have to find the simple interest. So what is the formula? Simple interest SI will be equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay. So this means just put the values of P, R and T, then see what happens. See, P is equal to 6,500 multiplied by your R is 10% per annum. So into 10 into your T is 3 by 2 divided by 100. See children, 1 0 from here will get cancelled with 1 0 from the numerator. Again this 1 0 will get cancelled with 1 0 in the numerator. You are left with 650 into 3 divided by 2. Now see 2 will get cancelled with 650. Both of them are even numbers. So 2 3s are 6. Now here 2 2s are 4. 1 left, 1 and 0 10. So 2 5s are 10. So you are left with 325 into 3. Let us see how much is 325 into 3. This is 3 5s are 15, 5, 1, 3s are 6 and 1 7 and 3 3s are 9. So you are getting rupees 975. So what is the simple interest here? Rupees 975. So on rupees 6500 for 1.5 year, when the rate of interest is 10%, your simple interest is rupees 975. Now see what is given in C. In question number C, you have P is equal to rupees 1280. So principal amount P is equal to rupees 1280. Okay. Time is equal to 2.5 years. So change it into improper fraction. You will get 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. 5 by 2 years. And rate of interest R is equal to 2 3 by 4% means change it into improper. You will get 8 plus 3 11 by 4%. 11 by 4%. Now let us see how we can calculate simple interest. Now SI will be equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay. So this will be 1280 multiplied by time is 5 by 2 into 11 by 4 whole divided by 100. Now see how you can do the calculations. Simply you can first of all cancel this 2 with 1280. You will get 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8 and 2 zeros are 0. Okay. So here in the numerator you have 640 into 5 into 11 by 4 divided by 100. Now let us see how we can move forward with this question. This will be equal to 640 into 5 into 11 by 4 divided by 100, isn't it? Divided by 100. So when you remove this, see 100 can be written as 100 by 1. When you remove this divide and make it into multiplication, it will become 1 by 100. Now this will be 640 into 5 into 11 by 4. Now if you change this divide into multiplication, what you will get? 100 by 1 will change into 1 by 100. Okay. Now see 1 0 from here will get cancelled with 1 0 in the numerator. Now 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Again these 2 1s are 2 and 2 32s are 64. Again if you cancel it with 4, you will get 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 32. Now see 8 into 11 is left and you will be getting 11 8s are 88. That means rupees 88. So the simple interest will be equal to rupees 88. Now let us see what is given in D. Principal amount is rupees 2600. Okay. P is equal to rupees 2600. Time is given as 3 years. And rate of interest is equal to 5 1 by 2%. Now see 5 1 by 2 means how much it will become? 11 by 2%. Okay. Now what you have to find? You have to find the simple interest as well as amount. You have to find SI as well as amount. Now we will begin as we have already seen in the previous questions. That is, first we will find out simple interest. So SI will be equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay. Now substitute the values of P, R and T. The value of P is 2600. R is equal to 5 1 by 2 means 11 by 2 into time is 3 years, and this is divided by 100. Children, see, since this 2 is also in the denominator and 100 is also in the denominator, if you want you can write both these in the denominators. But in the other way round, if you know that if you see this 100, this denominator is 100, that means you are dividing this numerator by 100. That is, see here in the previous question we have done, see 2600 into 11 by 2 into 3 is divided by 100. That means 100 by 1. Now in the next step you can change this divide to multiplication sign, and then this 100 by 1 will be changing into 1 by 100. Okay, so let us move forward with this step. So this will become 2600 into 11 by 2 into 3 into 1 by 100. Now see, the two zeros in 100 will get cancelled with the two zeros in 2600, which is written in the numerator. Okay, so this 0, these two zeros with these two zeros. Now see, 2 ones are 2 and 2 13s are 26. Okay, now we are left with 13 into 11 into 3. That means we are left with 13 into, see, 11 and 3 is 33. 13 into 33. We are left with 13 into 33. Now see, 13 3s are 39. So 9, 3, 13 3 are 39 and 3, 42. So the simple interest here is 429. What is the simple interest? SI is equal to rupees 429. How will you calculate the amount? Amount is nothing but the sum of principal amount and the simple interest. So your amount will be equal to 2600 plus 429. So see how much you are getting. 9, 2, 6 and 4, 0, 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0, 1 carry, so 3. So you are getting rupees 3029 as amount. Children, now let us see what is given in question number 2. Hari borrowed rupees 450 from his friend at 6% per annum. See here, Hari has borrowed rupees 450, मतलब 450 रुपया अपने दोस्त से लिया और उसका रेट कितना था? 6%. It was 6%. That means for every 100 rupees he has to pay 6 rupees more every year. He returned the amount after 8 months. अब देखिए, हरी ने क्या किया? 8 महीना के बाद ही अमाउंट को रिटर्न कर दिया. हाउ मच मनी डिड ही पे? कितना पैसा उसने पे किया? ये हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है. सबसे पहले तो हम लोग को पता करना होगा कि 8 महीना के लिए उसको कितना इंटरेस्ट, दैट मीन्स कितना एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट पे करना होगा. लेट अस सी हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस. सी, हरी borrowed, that means borrowed amount is known as the principal amount. Here the principal amount will be equal to rupees 450. Okay, now rate percent per annum, मतलब किस रेट में? हर साल में उसको 100 रुपीज पर एक्स्ट्रा कितना अमाउंट देना है? 6% है. नाउ टाइम पीरियड यहाँ क्या है? 8 months. 8 months. If you convert it into years, it will become 8 by 12. See here, because ये रेट जो है वो पर ईयर है, परसेंट पर एनम है, इसलिए हमको टाइम पीरियड जो है उसको हम लोग को कैसे लेना होगा? ईयर के हिसाब से लेना होगा. तब हमारा 8 months क्या हो जाएगा? 8 by 12 years. Okay, if you want you can cancel here. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So what it will become? 2 by 3 years. Okay, now it is very easy for us to find out simple interest. Now see here, simple interest will be equal to P into R into T by 100. Now substitute the values of P, R and T. How much is P? P कितना था? Principal amount 450. Rate कितना था? 6%. Time 2 by 3 divided by 100. Okay. Now see what we can do here. This 1 0 will get cancelled with 1 0 in the numerator. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Now आगे कैलकुलेट करने से पहले इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. ये क्या हो जाएगा 45 into 2 और this 10 is divided by 10 है, तो this divided by 10. Now in the next step you can make it 45 into 2 into 2 into 1 by 10. Now see here 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Again 5 1s are and this is 5 9s are 45. अब क्या बच गया 9 into 2. So how much will be your answer? Rupees 18. So what is the simple interest that is to be paid by Hari to his friend? It is rupees 18. So simple interest is rupees 18. So what will be the amount? यहाँ question में amount भी पूछा है, कितना amount pay करेगा. See here after 8 months, Hari borrowed 450 from his friend at 6% per annum. He returned the amount after 8 months. How much money did he pay? कितना पैसा उसको रिटर्न किया? तो 450 के साथ साथ उसको पे करना होगा रुपीज 18 भी. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? अमाउंट निकालेंगे. We will find out the amount. So यहाँ पे निकाल लेते हैं अमाउंट. Amount will be equal to rupees 450 plus rupees 18. So देखो बच्चों कितना आ रहा है 864. So he has to pay rupees 468. What is the amount here? Rupees 468. Come on children, let us see question number 3. See what is given. Find the simple interest on rupees 2000 for 6 months at the rate of 4.5% per annum. See, it's very simple. First of all, let us write what is the principal amount. See, principal amount P is equal to rupees 2000. Okay. Now, time period is given as 6 months. That means if you convert it into years, it will become 6 by 12 years. So 6 by 12 का मतलब क्या हो गया? 1 by 2 years. Half year है. Then rate R will be equal to how much? 4.5%. 4.5% को फिर हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Improper fraction में change कर लेंगे, so that calculation becomes easy for us. So now अब ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4 2 is 8 and 1 9. So it will become 9 by 2%. अब हम लोग को क्या निकालना है? Simple interest निकालना है. तो simple interest का फॉर्मूला क्या है? What is the formula for simple interest? अभी हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में देखे इसको. Simple interest का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा P इंटू आर इंटू टी बाई 100. P का वैल्यू कितना है, R का वैल्यू कितना है, T का वैल्यू कितना है, इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. 2000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय R हमारा कितना है 9 बाई 2 इंटू T कितना है 1 बाई 2 होल बाय 100. अब ये 100 के दो जीरोस को हम 2000 के दो जीरोस के साथ आराम से काट सकते हैं. Now we are left with 20 into 9 into 1 by 2 into 2. कितना हो जाएगा 9 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now see 2 1s are 2 and 2 10s are 20. Again 2 1s are and 2 5s are 20. क्या बच गया हमारे पास 5 into 9, that is rupees 45. So the simple interest on rupees 2000 for 6 months at the rate of 4.5% per annum is rupees 45. So SI is equal to rupees 45. So children, that's all for today. We shall meet again with some more questions on simple interest very soon.